Okay, if you're watching my video, you're probably looking into LiveGood. Maybe you've already joined or you're just interested in taking their products. But nonetheless, thanks for watching my YouTube channels. Like, subscribe, you know the biz, okay? Now, what I'd like to do is show you over the last couple years how I've been able to sign up well over 400, almost 500 people just directly underneath my little group, my little family, and how I help people that sign up with me or anyone in Live Good. If you've already signed up and you're kind of stuck, that's okay. Watch my videos. I love making videos about Live Good and helping people. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that, Maynard. Right? So, okay. What I'm gonna do is just shrink up here in my little pink hat, and my pink shirt. Boy, I think I got the world record for most pink in a Live Good video right now. But anyway, I'll just hang up here on the top right of your screen. And what I'm going to do is just show you the back office of Live Good and how I promote and keep things just as simple as possible by inviting you to click something, to watch something, and that's it. That's it. If you can just do what I'm going to show you, you have a darn good chance, in my opinion, of being successful as an affiliate where you can earn money by promoting Live Good and making a pretty good chunk of change off the memberships that you bring in. Okay, we specialize in being a wholesale company. We do not pay massive commissions like a lot of other companies because they have to jack up their prices of something that should cost, let's say, 15 bucks, but they got to charge 50 to 80 because everyone's pay is based on that huge markup factor. That's worked a long time. All right, if I remember right, Amway's been around since the 30s. Avon, oh my God, Mary Kay, New Skin, Tupperware, oh, Home Interiors, on and on to the break of dawn. Is Herbalife and USANA, they still hanging in there too? But anyway, I'm a big fan of Live Good. I became involved with Live Good because of the products that you see on the center of your screen right now called Super Reds and Super Greens. I started buying them just thinking, hey, they're a cool product. I'm going to go ahead and just order them online. I really highly recommend Super Reds and Super Greens. All right, I think you're going to like the ingredients. And if you don't like anything, even the hats and the shirts that Live Good will sell you, you have 90 days, guys, 3 months to get your money back. No questions are asked. You want your money back? Go ahead and use all the ingredients with that super reds and super greens and like put it in a Tupperware bowl. Take one of those containers and just empty it out in a Tupperware bowl and send back that empty container within 90 days when you ordered it, and you'll get your cash back. You can even get your money back on memberships. This company, it's like playing poker, maybe let's say blackjack in Las Vegas and all the cards are turned up. I like to know what the ingredients are. I like to know the pricing. And I like to know that if I just have an average effect, if I just don't really dig the product for whatever reason, knowing that you can get your money back, no questions asked, that's pretty darn good. Okay, so over the last couple of years, I have been doing something that I'm going to show you that seems to work. That's all I can say. I've only been doing this a handful of years. My background definitely isn't online business. I'm not that guru guy. You're not going to like search my name and see that I've been doing this 20, 30 years, just jumping opportunity to opportunity. But I'm real good at identifying opportunities that complement Live Good and just getting real good at inviting people to click a link to watch a video. And that's it. It's up to you right now to watch that video or search my YouTube channel or do the best you can to just search Live Good products or the opportunity. Get some get some information and make a decision. But right now, I'm a big fan of this company. I love the products. I think the people that own this company are awesome. And the money that I've made since I joined a handful of years ago has been awesome. Okay, so let me just show you. And why don't we just take like maybe 8 to 10 minutes on this video? Deal? This isn't going to be some long drawn out webinar. I just want to keep things real simple for you, okay? Now, if you look on your page, this is what the Live Good back office looks like after you join. Now, the home page, you can shop. That's where all of our products are completely just exposed to you. Read 100% about what ingredient is in every product. Shirts and hats and packages. I could spend 10 minutes and just go over the multivitamins and of course the protein. and the super greens and the super reds. If you need any information, just hit these little white rectangle boxes where it says learn more, and you guys will figure this out. And if you want to buy something, hit the green box that says order now, and that's it. Just put in your address, shipping, handling. It's very easy process. Now, what I like to do is invite people, like I said, and see my top screen there where it says joincory.com. Now, I bought this name from GoDaddy a long time ago, and since I had it kind of just hanging around, I bought this name for about 12 bucks from GoDaddy, and for free they forward to the Live Good capture page. And it's up to you if you want to do what I do. I highly recommend it. And you can come up with your own capture page or maybe your own website or your own video or videos. But I recommend this, especially if you're new. Get yourself, if your name, let's say, is Bob, joinbobnow.com, joinbobthomas.com. Or if your name is, oh heck, Kathy, joinkathytoday.com. Something like that. I think it looks good on a business card. Since Join Cory was available, I bought the darn thing. Now, for free, GoDaddy just forwards it to this page here. And see where it says Cory's website? You can put any name here. So if you have a business or you want to put your own personal name, it's up to you. I have the most success by just using my own name. Cory Draper's website, Cory Draper's YouTube channel. You go to Cory Draper's Facebook page, and I'm going to show you all this stuff, okay? But this page has signed up 450, almost 500 people. And what people will do, hopefully you'll watch this video. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO talking about LiveGood, where he's been, who owned this company, the products, and of course how the affiliate uh, division can earn you some money and the compensation plan. Put your name and your email address in and just hit reserve my position. It doesn't mean you've joined yet. It just means you're going to get some nice emails about LiveGood so you can make a decision and you can opt out of the emails. If you're just not interested, you can delete this page right now, hit that top X right there. And if you do get some emails and you're just not interested, just opt out. It's super easy. Okay? So to repeat, joincory.com. You go to this page, watch this video, reserve my position, and if you want to join, just open up your LiveGood email and you can join. And if you don't want to join, for 30 days, you get one email a day automatically from LiveGood. You've probably heard of email campaigns, let's say uh, an autoresponder. All right, great response. There's a lot of companies where you can write emails, load them in, and set them up automatically. So if someone fills out their name and their email, an automated email will go to them. Now, I find autoresponders a pain in the ass. I know how to do it, but I don't want to do it. And I would rather have the really well written emails that this company sends out automatically for 30 days. And in 30 days, yay or nay. You're going to buy the products or become an affiliate too, or you're just going to like say, no, it's not for me. But I love that part, the automated backup, because I'm not looking to retire. I own quite a few businesses besides LiveGood, and I love working. I'm almost 60 years old, and I'm not looking to retire. I have to work with my ADDD and my attention span and my energy. I have to have something going on. And right now, LiveGood is my little baby. Okay, so say hi to this handsome paid actor. Watch this video. Put in some information here and keep the emails too, because if you're going to email people, and if you join my group, I'm going to show you how I email every day and keep this fun. And there's already videos made. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now, but video is highly effective. So's emailing and so social media, okay? So to repeat, joincory.com, you're going to go to this page. And right now, when you join, you're going to have all these menu little items here, like leaderboard. This is out of 2.5 million people. You can see right now I'm about number 37 in the world. But look at that, 444, almost 500 people. I'll hit 500 people by this summer. Right now, it's just barely January of 2026 as I sit here talking to you fine folks. But look at all these people all over the world. I don't even know where the flags are. I only know like maybe Japan, Canada, America. I think I know Britain, the UK. But boy, look at all these flags. I don't even know what that one is right there. What's that one? But you're going to have people all over the world look into your business, look into this business. That's what's exciting. I invite people to the pay plan link. That's all. I don't explain the pay plan. It's a pain in the ass. Why not let the video from the company, LiveGood, explain it? And then right here, see where it says my websites. This is where you can choose either to promote LiveGood from just the products or the landing page. This is where people put in their name and hopefully your email address and hit that little orange button. And this talks about everything. I love it. This is my money link. I'll have this link memorized the rest of my life, okay? And there's Spanish. Think there's people out there on this planet that speak Spanish? Oh yeah, billions, okay? And boy, I could go on and on to the break of dawn, but all these web pages, they work, and you can just invite people to any of these links if you'd like. But right now, my personal experience to sign up over 500 people is right here. And I hope you do the same. The only difference is see that username? That's my name. So let's say your name is Bob Thomas. Your username might be Bob Thomas. So you'll use this link, the whole thing, and you'll get a hold of, in my case, GoDaddy. I think they're the best. I actually have 91 websites with them. I've never had a problem ever. 24-hour live human being customer support. And just buy the name, a domain name. You don't have to have hosting and build a website. Go ahead and just forward it to your own personal link like this one. And I think you're going to have a good response. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Boom. And just an example of how I keep things simple is right here. Okay, this is my Facebook page. And what I'll do is just something like this. Live good, feel great, join Cory, most powerful health products at wholesale prices worldwide. And then I'll forward one of our webinars because our company has a ton of company produced webinars, always at noon Eastern. So on Monday, we have Ryan and his wife Lisa. They're in charge of our products and the education of each product. They talk about everything we have for sale now, or maybe what's coming up in the future, and especially how to use the products and what the ingredients are. On Wednesday, Nader Kazan, our VP of Marketing, he has a great, usually about a 15 to 25-minute webinar, and he also mixes in TikTok training. And this is all built in. You got 10 bucks a month, what a business. Thursday, we have a 1 hour webinar where we talk about the whole opportunity, and it's neutral, meaning when people watch it, all you got to do is put your link to join. And then Friday is our company meeting right here. It's called Firestarter Friday. This is where we talk about sales, products, how many people have joined for the week, where we're going, what we're doing. Okay, and I love inviting people to this. But you can see how easy. Live good, feel great. Live good, feel awful. Live good, feel good. All right, I love it. And then boom. That's what I love about Facebook. I can just put joincory.com. I don't have to put www or http www. I just simply put that link and watch. When you click it, it automatically goes to my personal page. And I like to put Cory Draper's website. And that's it. I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do. This company has the autoresponders. If you do join, there's such an overwhelming amount of information on what to do. And get a hold of me. I'm not shy. All my contact information, that's somewhere below this video or below my Facebook posts. If you're on Facebook, just inbox me. But I'll help you if I can. You don't have to be signed up in my group. And we've signed up about what, 2.5 million people? And for me to be 37 on the leaderboard, pretty darn cool. That's exciting. Can you do this? I think so. But please just keep it simple. Don't try to overanalyze things and overexplain things. Just invite people to a video and that's it. Say, okay, let me know after you watch the video. Let our CEO, Ben Glinsky, for 5 minutes and 55 seconds do everything. Okay, deal? All right, high five. Thank you guys for your time. And like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Get a hold of me on Facebook. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I'm a big fan of this company and I think you're going to dig it too. So that's it, guys. Peace and love. I'll talk to you guys soon, okay? Okay, bye-bye.